In this lesson, we will learn how to use ChatGPT for social media. Let's say you want to write a LinkedIn post or a Twitter post, you can easily use ChatGPT. You can also directly ask ChatGPT to write a Facebook post. Okay, you can also mention that you need to add a link to your product in the result. Let's see. So here is our ChatGPT. We logged in. Click new chat, and now let us write the prompts. Let's say we need to write our first post on LinkedIn regarding our new tech podcast launch. Okay, it has also provided us the hashtags and other details. Okay, here it is. You can also copy this from here, or if you want to regenerate, click here. Now let us write a Twitter post. Let's say I want to write a Twitter post to ask the educational influencers as well as professors to discuss about an educational website, Studiopedia. Okay, with that you also want the link of Studiopedia to be added to the Twitter post. Let's see. Okay, here it is. You can add the link here. Also the hashtags are visible. Now let us write what are the 5 tactics to grow our Instagram followers. Okay, here it is. Now let us write tactics to grow our YouTube subscribers. Okay, so here are some tips. In this way, guys, we can easily use ChatGPT to write social media posts and to learn about how to get some tactics to grow our followers. Thank you for watching the video.